The Dolomites, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, are a mountain range in northeastern Italy. These mountains are known for their extraordinary jagged peaks and are often referred to as the Pale Mountains. This is due to the pale gray color of their rocks, which is completely different from those of any other mountains. But the Dolomites are more than just a geological wonder. They are a living, breathing ecosystem, home to a rich tapestry of flora and fauna. Visitors can enjoy various outdoor activities such as hiking, rock climbing, and mountain biking throughout the Dolomites. The Dolomites are not just a destination, they are a work of art that beckons you to explore, dream, and fall in love with the magic of the mountains. Let's find out the 10 best places to visit in Dolomites, Italy. Number 1. Alpe di Siusi. Alpe di Siusi is Europe's largest and most stunning alpine meadow, situated in the heart of the Dolomites. This breathtaking destination is an alpine wonderland that beckons travelers with its breathtaking views and a sense of tranquility that can only be found in the embrace of the mountains. It is one of the most popular and beautiful spots in the Dolomites. Imagine a place where rolling meadows stretch as far as the eye can see, adorned with an array of wildflowers that burst into color. Plus, Alpe di Siusi is a paradise for outdoor enthusiasts. Visitors can indulge in a wide range of activities. Whether you're embarking on a leisurely stroll or a challenging trek, the breathtaking panoramas of the surrounding Alpe di Siusi are a constant companion. Number 2. Lago di Braies. Lago di Braies is the most popular mountain lake and iconic destination in the Dolomite region. This Italian lake needs to be on your bucket list when traveling to the Dolomites. The primary allure of Lago di Braies is its extraordinary natural beauty. Nestled amidst the towering peaks of the Dolomites, the lake's crystal-clear waters mirror the stunning surroundings, creating a picture-perfect landscape. Exploring the lake's shoreline is like stepping into a fairy tale. One of the most popular things to do is to take a walk around the lake perimeter. The trail is well maintained and offers stunning views of the lake and surrounding mountains. Another popular activity is to rent a rowboat or pedal boat and explore the lake. Imagine standing at the edge of Lago di Braies, the air crisp and clean as you take in the awe-inspiring panorama before you. Number 3. Val di Funes. Val di Funes, or Funes Valley, is a pristine and picturesque valley located in the South Tyrol region. The valley is celebrated for its captivating natural beauty. From the moment you enter the valley, you are greeted by a breathtaking panorama. Rolling green meadows dotted with wildflowers stretch out in all directions. The Odal Mountains rise majestically in the background, their jagged peaks piercing the azure sky. The valley has some charming alpine villages to visit. The most famous village is Santa Maddalena. The view of the Odal Peaks from Santa Maddalena is an iconic shot that graces many travel magazines and social media feeds. Number 4. Seceda. Seceda is an iconic mountain range renowned for its stunning alpine landscapes, panoramic views, and outdoor recreational opportunities. Its summit station, at 2,518 meters above sea level, is a dearly loved destination in the Dolomites because of its unbeatable view of the Odal Peaks. If you're feeling energetic, there is a network of trails that meander through its pristine landscapes. However, the easiest and fastest way to get to Seceda is to ascend with the cable car and chairlift. As you rise higher, the world below transforms into a miniature wonderland, with the valleys and villages shrinking in scale. When you step out at the summit station, you are greeted by a 360-degree panorama that steals your breath away. Number 5. Tre Cime di Lavaredo. It is one of the most iconic and breathtaking mountain formations in the Dolomites. Its 3 distinctive peaks, Cima Grande, Cima Ovest, and Cima Piccola, rise majestically from the surrounding alpine meadows, creating a truly awe-inspiring sight. The Tre Cime di Lavaredo is a popular destination for hikers and nature lovers alike. The area surrounding the peaks is home to a network of well-maintained trails, offering hikers of all levels the opportunity to experience the beauty of the Dolomites up close. During World War I, the area around Tre Cime di Lavaredo saw significant military activity. The remnants of trenches, tunnels, and fortifications can still be explored today, providing a glimpse into the region's wartime history. Number 6. Lago di Carezza. Lago di Carezza, also known as Lake Carezza, is a true gem that captures the essence of alpine beauty. Even though the lake is small, it is another beautiful lake in Dolomites you need to visit. Its emerald green waters and dramatic mountain backdrop make it one of the most popular tourist destinations in the region. The stillness of Lago di Carezza creates perfect mirror-like reflections of the surrounding peaks and forests. Visitors can take a short and leisurely walk around the lake, which offers multiple viewpoints for admiring its beauty. The path is well marked and suitable for all ages, making it an accessible destination for families. Number 7. Cortina d'Ampezzo. It is a picturesque alpine town that has captivated visitors for centuries. Cortina d'Ampezzo is surrounded by the majestic peaks of the Dolomites. The dramatic alpine scenery provides a stunning backdrop to the town. This town has a rich cultural heritage that reflects its unique location at the crossroads of Italian traditions. You can explore historic museums and local craft shops, gaining insight into the town's history and customs. Cortina has been featured in several films, adding to its cinematic allure. The town's stunning scenery and glamorous atmosphere have made it a magnet for filmmakers and celebrities. It's a place that invites you to immerse yourself in the beauty of the Dolomites and savor the flavors of Italian culture. Number 8. Gardena Pass. The Gardena Pass is one of the most scenic mountain passes in the Dolomites. This mountain pass, situated at an elevation of 2,121 meters, offers travelers a remarkable passage through the towering peaks and rugged beauty of the Dolomites. The Gardena Pass is a popular destination for cyclists, motorcyclists, and drivers alike. The road is well maintained and easy to navigate, making it a perfect route for a leisurely drive. It is a photographer's paradise, with stunning views of the Dolomites in all directions. Be sure to stop at one of the many viewpoints along the road to take some memorable photos. Number 9. Giau Pass. Gardena Pass is not the only stunning mountain pass in the Dolomites. Another area you need to visit is Giau Pass. Imagine navigating winding mountain roads that take you higher and higher into the heart of the Dolomites. As you approach this mountain pass, you'll find yourself surrounded by an amphitheater of towering peaks, their dramatic forms etched against the vast canvas of the sky. The sheer magnitude of the mountainscape is enough to humble even the most seasoned traveler. The pass is a mecca for cyclists, both road and mountain bikers. If you love to ride your bike in the mountains, this area is a cycling paradise. Number 10. Cinque Torri. Cinque Torri, or the Five Towers, stand as geological sentinels that have fascinated climbers, hikers, and nature enthusiasts for generations. These striking rock formations represent the epitome of alpine beauty and adventure, offering a glimpse into the awe-inspiring world of vertical stone. The Cinque Torri is a popular tourist destination for a variety of reasons. First, the scenery is simply stunning. Second, it offers a variety of activities for visitors to enjoy. Another reason why the Cinque Torri are so popular is because of their historical significance. No matter what you choose to do, you are sure to have an unforgettable experience. It is a truly unique place that offers something for everyone.